Haha, what's up? Isaac Hoffman with Hoffman Files here on site, doing another how-to video. This one, how to release a wire from these push-in wire lever Wagos. Now, a lot of guys on site will tell you that you can't do it and you can't reuse them. Watch this. If you can get to your tool on time, take your pliers, boom, grab onto that thing, right down at the base of it, and what you want to do is hold it, and then twist your needle nose pliers over and out. Boom, you hear that? Boom, it popped that wire right out perfectly. Now, a lot of guys will sit there and twist and wiggle and pull, and that's actually doing a lot more work than you need to. Boom, right there. And some guys will say you can't reuse these, but I don't agree. So there you go. That's how to release a wire from a wire lever Wago.